सब्सक्राइब कीजिए शाहीन शॉर्ट एंड सिस्टम चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joiya, Chief Shorthand Trainer, Shaheen Shorthand System, English Shorthand Dictation Advanced Level of Newspaper Exercise number 9. Dictation speed 60 words per minute, shorthand and longhand total time 45 minutes. Ready, start. Another case is of Tayyaba, the 10-year-old servant of a judge and his wife. Full stop. She was brutally tortured by the couple, but initially many in the lawyers community were reluctant to take up her case since the judge was influential. Full stop. The sentence of the couple was reduced from 3 years to 1 year by the Supreme Court. Full stop. Reportedly, in 2017, Tayyiba's family choose to withdraw their allegations or come to a compromise which almost always involves paying financial compensation. Full stop. While on this occasion they were told the charges could not be withdrawn, they did not call for the punishment to be increased. Full stop. Tayyaba received a lot of media coverage, but there are scores of others where the first response, even in cases of sexual assault, is for the police to pressurize the victim's family to come to a settlement with the perpetrator. Full stop. The culture of compromise is so imbued within the criminal justice system that it sometimes appears to practitioners that the law enforcement agencies are primarily arbitrating settlements rather than apprehending culprits. Full stop. When action against crimes against children is being compromised, the message is that those with wealth and influence are free to abuse those who are less privileged. Full stop. Once the police have a duty to register and investigate a complaint in a matter involving a crime against a child, then the scrutiny of the court should ensure there is no compromise whatsoever. Full stop. There is no political will or allocation of funds to implement existing laws or review the system as a whole for children. Full stop. The juvenile justice system ordinance 2000 is still not properly implemented semicolon. Children are tried with adults and even share prison cells with them, full stop. More recently, comma, all provinces and the capital enacted child protection legislation to overhaul the law regulating orphanages, comma, create sanctions for specific crimes against children, comma, establish a child protection bureau, comma, child protection centers, comma, officers and courts, full stop. The legislation is dismal from its drafting to its lack of implementation, full stop. In all provinces, comma, the definition of children requiring protection is so wide that half of Pakistan's children would fall under it. Full stop. In Balochistan, comma, where the act is not even implemented, comma, the definition of a child requiring state protection includes one whose feelings are hurt, comma, who may feel involved, comma, ignored, comma, belittled or suffers from favoritism, full stop. Child protection centers and courts are hardly in existence, comma, yet the ambition of our lawmakers is so lofty that they wish to protect a majority of children in Pakistan. Full stop. The reality is that Pakistan stands third from the bottom among 193 countries in the context of newborn deaths, semicolon, polio is still endemic, semicolon, child labor is rampant, semicolon, and the country has one of the lowest budgetary allocations. Stop writing, please.